Are you learning how to code? Have you started taking self-paced courses on platforms like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Udemy? If you haven't, this is a great place to start to build your foundational skills. However, if you're like me, you might think that there's still something missing from these platforms. After months of learning how to code on my own and building some small, tiny projects, I realized that these platforms are fantastic. However, I still need some hands-on experience and some real-time guidance. That's when I discovered that on Eventbrite, apart from being a party, concert, event kind of platform, they also host free online events. And some of these events involve coding workshops, coding courses. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. These workshops are perfect for people who have some basic fundamental coding knowledge and are right now debating on whether or not to invest in a coding bootcamp. One workshop series that I found particularly helpful is hosted by Amit Coders. They offer a large range of workshops from cybersecurity, data analytics, software engineering. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. The instructors are so helpful. I added them on LinkedIn after the workshop. They're now part of my network and they're people that I can reach out to and get guidance. It was overall a really positive experience.